Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Elastic Cloud to an external storage location, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, log into your Elastic Cloud account using your credentials. Navigate to the dashboard where your deployed applications are listed. Locate the deployment from which you want to withdraw data. Click on the deployment to access its details. On the Deployment Details page, find the Data section. Identify the specific index or dataset you wish to export. Select the export option available for that index. Choose your preferred file format for the export. Designate the external storage location where you want to transfer the data. Ensure that the external storage is properly configured to accept files. Copy any required access credentials or connection details for the external storage. In the export settings, paste the access credentials as needed. Review the export options to confirm that everything is set up correctly. Initiate the export process by clicking the relevant button. Monitor the progress of the export task on the dashboard. Once the export is complete, check the external storage location. Verify that the data has been successfully transferred to the external storage. If needed, adjust any settings in your external storage for data retrieval. Document the process for future reference or for others who may need to follow these steps. Ensure to keep backups of important data as a best practice. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.